All right, welcome to Battle of the Ninja versus Air Fryer. Tonight I'm going to be cooking identical sweet potato French fries that are cut evenly using my Gander Mountain French fry cutter. In fact, they're great, right? They're nice and even. But I want to test to see if we air fry in the Ninja, can it do it in about the same time as a regular air fryer of about the same size? So in other words, can an air fryer do it a little more efficiently, either better quality, a little shorter time? We don't know because we haven't done it before, but tonight we will. So stay tuned as we do a battle of the air fryer versus Ninja sweet potato French fries. All right, a little bit of a background is I recently did a video, and we'll put a link in the description, where I took the Ninja and we did a pressure cook, and then we followed up with an air fry to see how that would work, because there's some recipes on the internet and maybe somebody might want to know, does that work? So the Ninja, being a pressure cooker and an air fryer, it seemed natural to try it out, right? And it took forever. It took a minute to do the pressure cooking plus all the time to go up and down. It took 17 minutes to air crisp it, and it just didn't work out. So I'm thinking, okay, maybe it was a little mushy because of the pressure cooking, so that's not such a good idea. Maybe if you do like a baked potato or something. But seriously, the pressure cooking might speed it up if you're doing something else. French fries might not be a good idea. So today I figured, well, let's just do purely with the air fryer functionality of the Ninja versus, in this case, this is a home leader. This is our go-to air fryer. It's a 3-point something quart, and so it's probably about the same size as the Ninja. If I brought out our QVC, it's a 5 something quart, and it's way bigger, and I don't want it, being unfair. So this guy should be, handle about the same amount of fries, maybe a little more, we don't know. But we just want to see how's the quality. So we're interested to see, can the Ninja do decent fries? I mean, we know it does decent store-bought foods, right? You can get some spring rolls, throw it in there, and at some point they'll crisp up, right? So we're gonna try cooking food, not just simply reheating some frozen food. So let the games begin. All right, so we're gonna use, these are the weapons of choice, I suppose, if you want to call them that. They haven't really been treated with anything. We did put a little bit of oil in them during the previous video, but they were not pressure cooked or anything like that. They're still raw. And we're just gonna put some in here. I wanna make sure it's all single layer. Can arguably say that's no excuse for that, right? So nothing's overlapping. We're going to go ahead and put just a couple of squirts of extra virgin olive oil on here, right? All right, we got that pretty much coated, and I don't know, I just want to sprinkle a little bit of stuff on here. Give me something to smell while it's cooking. This is just some Lowry's poultry and chicken rub. Nothing exciting. Mostly salt, pepper, a little bit of stuff in there. But it should be good. So he's ready to fire up. And now we're going to get our Challenger loaded up. All right, one thing I totally forgot about is preheating these guys to make sure everything's all fair. So I did preheat both the air fryer and the Ninja, so they start their little countdowns. So we have that all taken care of. Make sure this basket is got a decent amount in here without overlapping anything. All right, we're gonna coat that roughly about the same. Sprinkle a little bit of Lowry's on this stuff. So about the same. All right, so we're good there. Yeehaw. We're going to air crisp this. Hit down in 400. I'm going to set it for 10 minutes. Should cook in 8, and we're going to flip halfway through, but we'll get him going. And he's going. And this guy was also set for 400. And he's going. So the bottom line is these guys are set identically. They've got the same type of potato, same size, same amount of oil, seasoning, so everything is good. Running on 2 different electrical circuits so we don't blow a breaker or 2. So we're good. And we'll be back when we go to flip them, and we'll see how they look at intermission in about 4 minutes. Got about another minute here. Actually, I think he's about ready, and about 30 seconds left on the Ninja here. We flip. All right, let's go ahead and kill the Ninja, kill the home leader. So this is what the home leader looks like. We definitely got sizzling. You can see what he's doing. Sounds like he's sizzling, just, I don't know, not too much going on. So let's take the, if I can get this going right. Got the home leader, we're just flipping these guys all cattywampus. We had seasoning side up, so you kind of know I flipped it properly if we reverse that. We're gonna get these guys all straight over here in a second. Okay, that's the home leader. You can see he's pretty much straight. He's going back in there. 4 minutes, we'll see if he's done. This guy. Flipping around. Definitely feels a lot stiffer than in my prior test where I pressure cooked them first, because that really kind of mushed them up. Made them tender, but these guys you can pretty much throw around. All right, thinking we got pretty much everything under control here. Let's go ahead and close the lid, get it going again. And we'll be back in about another 4 minutes for a total of 8 minutes cook time, and we'll see how they look at that point, and we'll give them extra time as necessary. All right, more cooking. Home leader is almost done here. Ninja's got about another minute and a half. Home leader is ready to pull. That's the home leader. Nice color, lots of frying stuff. Hot, but not crispy yet. Back and he goes. Ninja, lots of frying. He doesn't taste nearly as done. He needs more time. So, this guy, why it's not crispy yet, it's more tender. This guy is definitely more raw. So, for the same amount of cooking time, 8 minutes each, he might be a minute or 2 behind. So we'll see how it goes. All right, both these bad boys have been in here for like 10 minutes. Just doing a little flippy-roo. Probably not needed, it'll only been a couple of minutes. Let's take another sample. Mushy. So he's catching up. This is the Challenger. This is the home leader. Oh, here we go. Tastes a little mushier. I'm starting to get a little bit of crispy on the ends. So we're just doing a little, doing like that. I'm gonna thinking about, is 3 minutes gonna be enough? Set it for till a 4, I'll check it though. And this guy, so I have them both set to go 4 minutes, and I'm going to check them probably in 3 to see how they are. This guy seems to be making progress on crisping, at least on the ends. This guy hasn't got there yet. So we'll see how that goes. That's our test, right? Home leader's done. This guy's got about another 30 seconds. Let's see how he is. This has been for a total of 14 minutes. We're going a little more. This guy obviously is a little narrower, a little more crunchy. So 14 minutes is not enough in him. So let's get him going some more time. But we are starting to get a little bit of and he's done. So let's go ahead and take a piece here. See, whoop. He's getting about the same kind of browning, kind of hot. That's very good. Let's go another minute here. So we got them both going for the 2 minutes. Actually, it was fairly close on this last taste test. So I think we're getting close, but overall, they still weren't quite at a good thing. But also, I got to be careful. You know, these are sweet potatoes. They are going to have a little bit of, you know, caramelization that you wouldn't get with other potatoes. But I think we're getting close. Okay, he finished. So let's go ahead and pull him out. Get his out of here. I don't need a fork. I don't need no stinking fork. So, home leader, Ninja. They look about the same. The Ninja's looks a little more burnt for the given cooking time, 16 minutes each. But it's fairly close, so it's not like it's devastatingly bad. Got, you know, a little bit of crunchy on the ends where there looks equivalent of being burnt. The texture's not bad. It's definitely soft and tender on the inside. I'm just not getting 100% where, ooh, it's, you know, tasting so great fried. But I don't have the horribleness of the deep fat where it's just dripping grease. Let's try this guy. I need more of the same. So this might be a little more of a little frustration here. Maybe russets are the only way to go, right? I mean, these are sweet potatoes. You should be able to do it. I did some Yukon Golds last night with the pressure cooking and everything. And I cooked those guys for maybe a couple more minutes than what these were. And Amy was, you know, tasting burntness as well. So I'm wondering if these air fryers, at least with sweet potatoes, they just don't like them. So, well, but that was also with Yukon Golds too. Russets are still, you know, the best, right? So these aren't bad, they're edible, but I thought a limitation might be on the Ninja side, but it looks like the home leader did about the same. So I guess in this test, it's a tie. They both did an okay job. but I definitely do not give either one a 2 thumbs up. I definitely don't. Unfortunately, we're probably going to have to do something with russets just to, throw that all out, right? But, they're tasty, yay, but I'm definitely missing something. But at least the Ninja did defend himself. He didn't come in horrible. It didn't take him twice as long to cook the same quality. He did it right about the same time as the home leader did. And the home leader, like I said, does everything else really good, so I don't fault him at all. So, yay for the test, right? So Ninja, you're holding your own. So we'll definitely have to do another test in the future here. So, yay. If you like this video, please subscribe below, give us a comment and a like, and visit our website at amylearnstocook.com. We're on Twitter and Pinterest at Amy Learns to Cook, and we're on Instagram at Cooking with Amy. You got lucky, Ninja. Addendum remark number 1. Amy just tried them, and the home leader was her slight favorite. They were both very close, but she barely thought it might have been a little more crispier. We know the store-bought French fries taste great in air fryers. With the store-bought French fries, they're frozen, but they're fried at least once. So where these here were raw, cooked. Now there is a method that we've had in another video where we used oil, where we did what's called the twice fry method, where you fry it at a lower temp to kind of get the inside cooked without screwing up the outside, and then you do the higher temp to crisp up the outside now that the inside is kind of on its way to getting cooked. And that method works really good. I'm kind of wondering if we need to do that with air fryers. But, we've done this in the oven and we never had to do that, so who knows. But it's a test. Hope you enjoyed it, and we have more tests on the way.